Well, hello everybody. Here's John. We just finished a new Tinker Crate, and John got a new haircut. Let's check it out. Whoa!
So handsome.
John, do you want to show us how your Tinker Crate works? Maybe Mom can help you. How do we unlock this puzzle box?
Okay. First, we have to spin it.
Good.
I never showed up.
Okay.
Like
Now, what do you do with the magnets?
Move it around.
Push them to the right. Good. Just like that. And now the other one. Push it to the right.
Go ahead, Mom.
Now, can you open it up? Can you open the lid?
Oh, I don't think we spun it far enough. Hold on.
Okay, now move them to the right.
Tinker Crate.
Can you open it up?
Oh!
Ooh.
Yeah, we spun it really good, but then we spun it good again.
Okay. Now to lock it, push that back down, and we tilt it,
Magnet.
and we put
Magnets
that back
back
in the middle.
down.
In the middle. Now it's locked.
Oh, now it's locked.
Okay.
Whoa, I love it. Thanks for coming along, people. What would you like to say, John?
I love it.
Okie dokie. Talk to you later.